Money, money, money. What does money mean to you as a Ghanaian? You want to make money, right? Of course, everybody wants to make money. Ask the ordinary Ghanaian what their challenges are and what they want. They will tell you money. So, money is good. However, the questions are, how do you make money? How can you invest money so that it increases? How can you take the best possible financial decisions in Ghana? How can you get value for money when you are buying products? How do you get yourself out of poverty as a Ghanaian? This is the channel that we want to be able to discuss, have a good discussion, share our thoughts and comments, just talk about money in general in the Ghanaian society and how we'll be able to get ourselves out of poverty. And you can subscribe to this channel, Ghana Money TV, and then we let's just talk, let's just have good rapport, let's just have good discourse when we talk about money, because it's as if it's something that we all want. It's something that we all want as a nation, as individuals. However, we don't talk about it, and it's not a coincidence that some people are rich and others are poor, because the rich people are taking decisions and the poor people are not. So your inactivity or your activity with regards to the search for money, whether make you rich or make you poor. And this is the channel, Ghana Money TV. Subscribe to it and share your comments, share your thoughts, share your ideas, share your beliefs, share your experiences, so that it will help somebody else. I mean, we are all learning, we are all learning, and we are all in search of the same kind of success and money. That's why we get up in the morning. That's why we have work. That's why people are running businesses. And with this channel, we want people to be able to come on board. We want people to be able to come and just talk openly. Let's just have a discussion and a chat, so that it's going to help somebody else in the near future or today as we speak. The first thing that I want us to be able to discuss is the concept of money, and why money is so crucial, or money is so critical in the world that we live in now. And before we do that, I want us to all have the mindset that to be able to get money, it has to start from here. You cannot just talk about getting money, or you cannot just sit down and worrying about, I don't have money, I want money, how can I get money, or just being jealous about what others have got, or what people are doing and how they are making money, because money is here. It's thought. You need to be able to get that in your head, that yes, you also want to be rich. You need to be able to get that in your head, that you also want to be able to make it to the next level from where you are in terms of your financial situation, and that is very, very key, because until you start believing in yourself, until you start thinking that yes, you can make money, whatever you say wouldn't make sense, and your actions will not be well informed, and you will not be able to get the energy to be able to search for that money that you are looking for. And so let's look at our mindset with regards to money. There is something that I think we've all been, whether it is cultural or whatever. I mean, we've been brought up to feel as if the search for money is not good. And one of the reasons is that we know that so others keep saying that money is the root of all evil. To be honest with you, in my opinion, lack of money is rather the root of all evil, because if you don't have money, there's a lot of things that you would be doing, and I think that we have to be able to look at that particular statement very well as we live as Ghanaians. Money is not evil. And just look around you, wherever you are. Every single thing around you has got value. The chairs that we sit on, the beds that we sleep on, the mobile phones that we use, the TV that we watch, even the shirts that we are wearing, it's got value. What is that telling you? You cannot do nothing in this world without money. It's a fact. Money is the value that rules the world. And so you cannot go around it. You need to be able to search for it. You need to be able to find ways so that you would be able to get it. And this is the channel that we want to make that decisions, and we want to be able to have that discussion, so that you would take something home and maybe share. Let's discuss this within our society, within our families. Let's just have that conversations. There's a secret, and I don't know if it's a secret, or rich people talk about money. Rich people talk about money with their kids. They talk about money with their family. They talk about money with their friends. Poor people don't do that. They worry about it. Why? Because it's not the worrying that is going to make you the money. We talk about it to make the right decisions. And so on this channel, I mean, we want to be discussing things with regards to the various money tips that Ghanaians will be able to get, and they will be able to see how they can either get ideas out of it, or they will be able to start some businesses on their own, or they'll be able to do some good savings on their own. And we also be talking about banking systems and finance in Ghana, because look at Ghana as we speak. The banking system has opened up. It has opened up so much that there's money. There's a lot of people are making money through the banking system. Yes, if you don't know, I'm telling you today, people are making money through the banking and financing system, and you would be able to get your hands on that. So there are a lot of products, and there are a lot of services in the banking and financing sector, from various bank accounts to investments and savings that you'll be able to do, so that the little that you have would be able to increase. And so we'll talk about those things. There's also the other bits of loan, and it's all in the banking system, because I mean, people take up loans for various reasons, and some of them could be personal, others could be for investment or for business. So the loan system, it's something that we want to be talking. There are various loans and products in Ghana through the various banking and financial institutions. So we'll touch on it as on this channel. We'll also be discussing, we'll be talking about things with regards to insurance. And I think there's one thing that we are missing out when we talk about the financial systems, or when we talk about making money. And insurance, it's a very crucial financial service or financial product that some of us don't understand it very well, or we don't know the benefits of insurance policies and what it can do for us as individuals or as corporations. So we will have time to go through the insurance industry and the various insurance products that we have: car insurance, medical insurance, health insurance, life insurance policies, funeral insurance, which is also becoming very popular within our communities, and that is also something that we are going to be talking about. And then we will talk about various travel or holiday decisions that we take. I mean, if you want to move from A to B, would you require certain deals that would be cheaper for you? Would you require hotels that can save you money? What is the decisions that you take when you are acquiring, or when you are purchasing these products? Do you look at the market? Do you compare prices? When you want to make a decision with regards to buying a mobile phone, or getting yourself an internet data bundle, what are the decisions? You just go for what you have, or you make the decision by comparing the various products that are in the market. So we will also look at the various products and the various market strategies that the companies use, and we also look at the decisions that you can take to be able to purchase good products, because there's a lot of products in Ghana, but do we compare? Do we make comparison? Because it is not as if we owe it to every individual companies. No, you can get the good deals by comparing, and until you compare, maybe you think that whatever you have, it's good. But no, there are good products out there which you can access, and which will make you, which will also save you money. And so this particular channel, all that we want to talk about is comparing prices, comparing products, comparing financial services, and giving you the right information to be able to take the right decisions. And I tell you what, if you subscribe to this channel, because there's going to be loads of information on there for you to be able to make those decisions. And I think that with this as an intro, you understand what we are trying to do. It's just an open platform for you to come and talk about money. So let's know what you think. Let's know your thoughts, what we can do to be able to improve what we are trying to do, because Ghanaians need this information. Seriously, I feel that Ghanaians need this information, and some of us were able to pick it up through the hard way. But once I've got the information, once colleagues have got the information, why can't we put it together and then share? Because it's good. It's good. I mean, other countries have been able to get themselves out of poverty by people learning from each other and taking the right decisions that is helping themselves and in the end helping the society. Because until you look after yourself financially, the country cannot grow. So if we are taking the right decisions as individuals, then we can then look at the bigger picture of the whole country being successful. And I mean, let's look at the poverty line. It's very, very thin. I mean, if we are able to get ourselves out of poverty individually, which is possible. I mean, we understand we need an enabling environment, but individually, if we're able to take the right decisions bit by bit in terms of how we spend our money, in terms of how we save our money, in terms of how we make purchases. I mean, do you need the things you buy? Ask yourself, do you need the things you buy? I doubt. And so let's just put certain priorities in life in terms of finances. And I think when we do that, we will be able to get ourselves out of this whole poverty and financial struggle that we are all going through. And this is the channel that and once again, I'm telling you, subscribe to the channel Ghana Money TV, and just wait out for all the videos, all the comments. Come on there and let's talk, and I'll see you again next time, and with a new topic. And I think we will enjoy ourselves. See you.